Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can verify your Paws account so that you can be able to receive your Paws token airdrop. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do it in a few seconds. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now in order to verify your Paws account is to open the Paws website. You have to visit the website. You can see where it is written visit our website. So what you have to do is to tap on it, or you can either use the end section. You can see where it is written N. This has now been made a tag, so you're going to be receiving a reward for actually visiting the website. So let me tap on N. So guys, now you can see the first option there written verify via Paws website. So we're going to be verifying our Paws mining app, our Paws mining account using their website. So what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written start. So let me tap on start right away. And as you can see there, it is written mandatory. That's to show you that this is one of the eligibility requirements for you to be able to receive your Paws airdrop. So guys, make sure you do these tags and claim the reward. So let me go ahead now to tap on start right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, open in, choose your default. So guys, now what you have to do now is to choose the browser that you want to use to open the Paws website. So whichever browser that you have in your phone, go ahead to select it. So let me select Chrome browser since I have it in my phone. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's now directing us to the website. The website is opening. Let's just wait a few seconds. So guys, now you can see the Paws website have opened up. You've logged into the Paws website. By just doing this, you've verified your Paws account, because the account is about visiting the Paws website. So guys, now what you can do now to be sure of it is now to tap on that drop down icon. So let me tap on the drop down icon. Then what I will do now is to tap on exit. So let me tap on exit. But guys, if I tap on exit, you can see that I've connected both my Ton wallet and my Solana wallet. If you have not done that, you don't need to bother yourself, because I've actually made a dedicated video on that. What you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video. I'm going to be leaving the video link right there. Tap on it so that you can learn how to connect both your Ton wallet and your Solana wallet. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on exit. So guys, now you can see what's written here, Paws, animal are done. It's Paws season, so verify yourself. So guys, what I'll do now is to tap on verify yourself. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's directing me back to my Telegram app, to my Paws mining app. Wow guys, can I see what's written here, account verified? You can see now my account is verified by just visiting the Paws website. And I also think connecting your wallet is one of the criteria of getting your account verified as well. So guys, what you have to do now is to decide either to continue with the website or go back to Telegram. So let me tap on stay in Telegram. Let me tap on it. So I'm going to go back to my Paws mining app on Telegram. So guys, now you can see it's directing me back to my Paws mining app. Is opening. Wow guys, can I see I'm back to the Paws mining app. So what I have to do now is to go over to the end section to confirm if actually my account has been verified. So let me tap on N right away. Then let me tap on in-game. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see down there, verify via Paws web. You can see that it has been verified. It has been ticked good. You can see right there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now this I can be able to verify your Paws mining app, your Paws account, so they can be eligible for airdrop. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.